The National Council of Occupational Safety and Health is a nonprofit advocacy group that consists of labor unions and professionals interested in promoting worker health and safety. It's a network of smaller groups that work at a local level to prevent companies from putting workers in local communities at risk. Not to be confused with OSHA, COSH actually fights for the Occupational Safety and Health Administration. The group has successfully staved off funding cuts to OSHA, as well as the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health and the U.S. Chemical Safety Board. In an effort to expose companies that put workers and communities at risk, COSH put together the Dirty Dozen 2018, a report that judges companies based on injury severity, exposure to unnecessary risks, and repeat offenses. Among this filthy dozen, a third of them are from the industrial and manufacturing industries, and it includes some big companies. Here are the 4 companies in question. A 23-year-old worker was killed at a waste management recycling facility because the company failed to have proper lockout-tagout on machinery during repairs. Waste Management has been cited more than 60 times by OSHA, chalking up nearly $1 million in fines. In November, IEN reported on an explosion at the VERLA International Cosmetics plant in New York. A worker was killed, 125 employees were injured, and 8 firefighters were hospitalized. VERLA had been previously reprimanded for the poor chemical handling that led to the deadly fire. The disaster was called, quote, easily preventable. According to COSH, injuries at Tesla Motors in Fremont, California are 31% higher than industry average. Serious injuries are 83% higher. While Tesla has said that it has improved injury rates, a recent investigation says that the company doesn't report some serious injuries to make the injury numbers look better than they are. They're padding the numbers. Tesla responded and said, "Nuh-uh, you're padding the numbers." Did you know that 7 workers have been killed at Amazon warehouses since 2013? Last year, 3 workers died within 5 weeks of one another at 3 separate locations. COSH says that despite this pattern of preventable deaths, Amazon wants billions in tax breaks for a new headquarters. I mean, that's on top of the $1 billion already received from state and local taxpayers. Check out the rest of the Dirty Dozen below and read the report, which even offers some solutions to reoccurring problems, like dropping temp agency workers, increasing wages, and organizing employees. I'm David Manti. This is IEN Now.